Al-Inshiqaq, the bursting asunder. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the sky burst asunder,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and gives ear to the command of its Lord to obey, and it is fittingly disposed to do so.
وإذا الأرض مدت
And when the earth is stretched out and receives fresh manure for the spiritual and physical progress of its dwellers,
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and casts forth all that it has in it, and becomes as if empty,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and gives ear to the command of its Lord to obey, and it is fittingly disposed to do so.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O people, verily you are by nature toiling on towards your Lord a laborious toiling. Then through arduous service to him you shall surely meet him.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Then as for the person who is given his record of deeds in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
he shall soon be reckoned an easy reckoning,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and he will return to his people joyfully.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
But as for the one who will have his record of deeds given to him behind his back, as a sign that he had thrown the divine teachings behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
he shall soon call, so to say, for complete destruction to end his agonies.
ويصلى سعيرا
And he will enter into a blazing fire.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
Verily, before this he used to be joyful among his companions, and neglected the hereafter.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور.
He deemed that he would never return to God.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا.
Yet he did return to God to account for his deeds. Surely his Lord was ever watchful of him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق.
Behold, I call to witness the twilight of sunset,
والليل وما وسق.
and the night, and all that it envelops,
والقمر إذا اتسق.
and the moon when it becomes full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق.
That you may invariably pass on from one stage to another.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون.
So what is wrong with them that they do not believe?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون.
And they do not prostrate in submission when the Quran is recited to them.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون.
On the contrary, these disbelievers cry lies to the Quran.
والله أعلم بما يوعون.
And Allah knows best all that they keep hidden in their hearts.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم.
So do not bother about them. Rather, give them the news of a woeful punishment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Different, however, is the case of those who believe and do deeds of righteousness. There awaits them an unending reward.